Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek where we dive deep into the tool that will help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to discover the best beginner trading platform and apps that can set a solid foundation for your trading journey. Choosing the right platform is one of the most important decisions you will make, and understanding their features will help you trade with confidence. From simple chatting tools to advanced order execution and mobile apps, we will cover everything you will need to know. So stay with me until the end so you can choose the platform that suits you best and supports your goals as a trader. The best beginner trading platforms are bridges between you and the financial markets. They are tools that allow you to analyze the price movements, place trades, risk management, and monitor performances for a beginner. The platform you choose can determine how fast you learn, how easy you execute trades, and how consistent you can manage your strategy. Some platforms focus on simplicity, others offer advanced analysis tools, while some combine both worlds. Let us break down the most popular beginner-friendly platforms and apps so that you can decide which one best suits your way of trades. The first one we'll talk about is the MetaTrader 4, and is one of the oldest and widely used trading platforms in the world. It remains highly popular with beginners because of its simple design, lightweight software, and compatibility with nearly every forex broker. What makes MT4 stands out is how user-friendly it is. You will be able to open your charts, add editor indicators like moving average, your RSI, place trades within minutes of logging in despite its simplicity. It synchronizes with your desktop account and allow you to monitor or close trades at a go. It has a global community support that makes it particularly powerful for beginners. You will find countless free resources, custom indicators, and strategy templates that makes learning personalizing your chart much easier. The next platform we'll discuss that can help you as a beginner is our MetaTrader 5. And the MetaTrader 5 is often seen as an upgrade to the MetaTrader 4. While it shares a similar interface, the MetaTrader 5 was built to support more asset class beyond Forex, including stocks, commodities, index, and cryptocurrency. It gives you much wider market access under one platform. You would immediately notice that the MT5 offers additional timeframes and better charting features. For example, you can analyze markets with 21 different timeframes compared to MT4 that has 9. This flexibility is useful if you want to study both short-term movement and long-term movement. Another beginner-friendly features is its built-in economic calendar. Instead of switching to external websites, you can view important news events directly in your trading platform and prepare for volatility. The MT5 also offers depth of market information, which shows you the live buys and sales order in real time, giving you better insight into the liquidity levels. Copy trading is another strong point of the MT5. It allows you to automatically copy trades from experienced market participants, a feature many beginners find useful as they learn by observing strategies in real world conditions. Now, the next platform we're going to discuss is called the TradingView. Now, TradingView has a complete have completely transformed how traders analyze the market. Now, unlike your MT4 and MT5, its strength lies in analysis rather than trade execution. It is a web-based platform known for its modern, clean charts and active community of traders. You can use the MetaTrader, the TradingView to analyze visually any market from your stocks. You can analyze your stocks, your funds, your futures, your Forex, your crypto, your index, the bonds, and so on and so forth. And it's the one of the trading views defining features is if massive trader community. You can you can follow other traders, study their charts, and even comment on their analysis. This makes it a learning hub where you gain exposure to different perspectives and strategies. Another advantage is the Pine script. Now, the Pine script, the TradingView perpetually codes language. The Pine script helps you to code whatever strategy or analysis you would want. You can study the chart and even impute your own coding that would help you to navigate. The TradingView Pine allows you to customize indicators and screeners without needing an advanced coding background. So for beginners, this open door to experimenting with strategies and building in a manageable way. The TradingView also has one of the best alert systems. You can set custom trades on the TradingView. You can set custom trades, alert trades levels on price levels, trend line breaks, or indicator signals that can push directly to your phone or your emails. They can come directly to your phone, notification on app directly to your email. They can play sound however you want to be alerted, helping you to stay focused and connected without needing to sit in front of your screen all day. The last but not the least is called the cTrader platform. Now, the cTrader is often associated with transparency and advanced order management, making it unique among beginner traders platforms. It is most commonly paired with ECN, electronic communication network brokers, which means you can access raw spreads and faster execution speed. For beginners, what stands out is how visually clear the platform is. You can drag and drop orders directly on your charts, and the depth of the market views shows live buys and sells across different levels. Now, this helps you to understand the market liquidity, something many platforms do not make transparent as possible. Another advantage is its C algo. The algo is the is a feature that allows automated trading similar to expert advisor, that's the EAs on the MetaTrader 4, but with a more modern programming environment. This appeals to beginners who are interested in algorithm, algorithm trading but want a clean interface for experiments. The cTrader app is also very powerful for for your mobile trading, giving you nearly the same level of control as the desktop platform. All right, traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you